Thank you so much, Auntie, for today. Auntie, do you know since I was born, I've never celebrated birthday, let alone cutting cake. And that cake is so sweet. I'm glad it's still remaining.
Oh, come on. You're welcome anytime. Okay?
I overheard you speaking with my mother, and I noticed that the relationship you have with her is beyond her being your husband's aunt. So,
well, you're correct. I think it's the right time I tell you about it. It's a very long story. It all started back in the days when I was much younger. Maybe your age. I used to behave very much like you. People hated me, including my own parents. Yes. And one day I couldn't take it anymore. I went to the market to purchase a rat poison. I was about committing suicide when I met your mother. She called me. Normal me, I would have rejected that call, but I don't know what happened. Something inside of me told me to answer her, and I obliged that. And she said to me, whatever I wanted to do that I should not. I heed to her advice, and I followed her home. When we got to the house, I mean your house, she cooked a very nice meal, which we ate. She taught me how to cook, clean, and wash. I left, but I kept visiting. Then, she was finding it difficult to have a child. The villagers mocked her. She taught me how to pray and read the Bible. She told me that was her only consolation. And as God may have it, this is me today. I am who I am today by God's grace and the help of your mother.
Yeah, now I understand. Now I get why you understood me very well. But Auntie, do you really know the cause of sadness? Somebody will just wake up for no reason, you'll just be angry. Yeah, maybe go to me here. I've destroyed so many things, I've insulted so many people. Later in life, I know I will go back to village. I owe a lot of people apology. Iziokum, I'll be going from door to door, from house to house, apologizing to all the people I've offended.
I know.
I just want to be a better woman like you and also tell my story one day like you.
You've improved so much. Yes. I can give you kudos to that. Okay? Keep it up. I know you're doing so well. Very soon, everything will be fine. Come here.
Thank you so much, Auntie.
You're so welcome. Come on. Sweet
Uncle. Don't worry, bring the baby.
Me, I'm tired.
Let me go and I'll give her food to bring. Let me take care of the baby for you. Don't worry.
You take care of her?
Yes.
She doesn't even know that her mommy is tired. Thank you so much, Oma.
Alright. You're tired.
I'm very tired, honey.
Your strength is here. Come.
My books, I did read. Let me say I said now my books, I did read. I'm here to...
But this my gift will not enter this my school bag. I'll just carry it like that so that people will see.
Wow,
I got the second.
and I got the toy.
You got the second?
Yes.
Congratulations.
Now I believe that birds of same feathers flock together.
Congrats, Nne. You deserve all the accolades. Omo, your brain dey hot.
They hot.
Over hot.
This is called for celebration. I am so happy and super proud of us. Take 5. Take 5. No be say I dey craze. Na God I dey praise. No be say I dey craze. Na God I dey praise. No be say I dey craze. Na God I dey praise. Na God I
is limited. Don't waste it at all. You a product of your decisions. No, no.
Mama. You're ready to go?
Yes, I am ready to go.
Okay.
Mama.
Okay. I have a husband to attend to.
You and this your husband safe. Some mothers will spend 5 months in their daughter's house, but you only spent 1 month and you are leaving.
Ngozi. My name is Gloria. I am not some mother. You know? So let me go home and take care of my husband.
Okay, Mama. Take care of my mother for me.
Yes, I will. Mama.
I want you to continue to live in peace. Do you understand?
Yes.
Ngozi, always be submissive to your husband.
Come on, Mama. You raised a very beautiful and proud daughter, so you shouldn't worry.
Yes, I know. God will bless you.
Amen.
Give you more children.
Amen.
Next time it's going to be triplets. Not
Amen.
Say that again.
Mama.
So, let's go.
Mama.
Eh? Yeah. Everybody miss you. I'm missing you more. Hold on. Yes. Okay.
I love you. Love you too. Look after yourself, Papa.
Time is limited. Don't waste it at all. You a product of your decisions. No.
Auntie, I want to thank you for sending money to my mother.
Come on, you don't need to mention.
People have been very nice to me and I really do appreciate, even when I don't say it always.
I know.
I also want to use this medium to ask for something. I want to make a request.
Go ahead.
I want to use the money and learn a skill instead of putting it in the bank now that we're on holidays.
Wow. That's interesting. So what kind of skill?
Fashion designing. I've always had this passion for making beautiful clothes. You know, I want to see great women look beautiful and colorful.
Okay. Is it that your 45,000 naira you want to use?
There's one woman I'm following on Instagram, Didi Signature.
Okay.
I know she's very expensive. I've already made inquiries because she has academy for people that wants to learn. But there's one girl that learns from her too.
Okay.
So that one, she says she needs 2 inexperienced. And that's the category I fall, and she's charging 40,000 each.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
So I just want to do it now that we're on holidays. I don't want to be idle.
Okay. That's good. That's good.
That's what I want to do.
Interesting. That was excellent. You see, I'm really impressed by how far you've gone about this.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Honey, what do you think?
Well, I'll foot the bills. You don't need to pay any money. I'll pay the money for you.
Please, you don't have to, Auntie. I want to pay the bills myself so that I will take it very serious.
Wow. Hey. Okay. It's fine.
All right, just go ahead and make the payment. In case you need anything along the line, just let us know, yeah?
Thank you so much. I appreciate you and your wife for everything. I know what you like already. When I'm done learning, I'll be the one making your clothes. Beautiful clothes for you.
Please, it has to be unisex. Your brother now.
Yes.
You can make my dress.
All right, my darling. I appreciate so much. Okay.
Nice.
Thank you, sir.
I'm impressed. Wow, Norma.
I am Vicky, the owner of Vicky's Fashion Academy, and I'm glad to have you.
Nice to be here, Ma. I'm so happy to be here.
You're welcome. Now, the price you paid is far lower than the skills you're going to be learning from me. And if I consider any form of unseriousness, I will deduct the price for what you have learned and give you your balance. I hope you understood me.
Yes, Ma.
All right. Like I said, I am Vicky, no Ma.
All right.
You're welcome. You can go to the fashion showroom. I'll meet you there soon.
Okay, Ma. Thank you, Ma.
Ah, Vicky!
Thank you, I'm Vicky.
All right.
So, how are you planning to spend your holidays? You?
Yeah, I'm here. My dad is sick with cancer.
Jesus. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Hope he's receiving treatment.
Yes. The doctor said the cancer has eaten deep into him. And he won't be here for too long.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry. God. Well, that's the report of the doctor, not God. So where's your father now?
He's still in Abuja. I am scared. I might not see him again. All my effort to make him proud in school will be a waste. He has not seen the prize I got for second position. How can he go like that? How?
God forbid. You have to put your faith in God, strongly in God. You don't have to lose hope. Do you understand?
It is easier to say when you're not on the receiving end.
I totally understand, but you will be in my prayers. I'm so sorry. So sorry to hear about this. Suggested the bag is searched. I didn't know where exactly she put it. I just have to use my brain.
You see what he caused today? Eh? I didn't know I was working with thieves. Now get out of my office. Get out!
Anemi Pro Max. Deliwa Mama.
Thank you so much. Thank you for what you have done today. It's really an act of bravery. I appreciate you.
Thank you, Vicky.
Fine girl, what's up? Fine girl. My friend. I found out this one to you now.
What is it? Are you mad? Do you want me to slap you? See,
You go touch yourself.
Respect yourself. If not that I'm in a very good mood. Jag now.
Who be this one? You carry your mood go market.
Who be that? Ah, no. Welcome.
Thank you.
Now, she done learn the work very well.
Yes, so it's going well and I'm very fast. I'm learning so fast.
Oh, no, good. You go to so for me.
I know they saw security man clothes.
No, no, wait.
I'm not in a good mood, please.
Don't be secret. I get money, I will pay you.
I'm not in that mood. Auntie, what's the problem? Why is your face like that? I had a terrible day today. Very bad day. I tried to kill today. Again. What happened? I had a terrible day. It all started when Doka stole Nissy's phone. It's joking.
Are you serious?
Yes, and put it in a private part.
Hey.
I was still trying to come out of that wahala. One guy stopped me and was asking me out. Imagine. As if that one is not enough. Oh, I got a text from Rose that her father is dead.
Oh my.
Some days are just not
You
it.
indeed had a very terrible day. I'm so sorry.
Thank you, Auntie.
You're welcome, okay? Cheer up, alright? If you need me to assist you, let me know, okay? If you want to go and see her as well, I can go with you. Please.
Thank you. The man had cancer and we're all hoping he would make it.
It's quite unfortunate. I'm so sorry. Okay?
Thank you, Auntie. You just go and freshen up.
You need it, okay? Don't think about it so much.
Thank you, Auntie.
You'll be fine.
Your time is limited. Don't waste it at all. You a product of your decisions. No, no. You a product of your decisions. Yeah.
Madam, please, I want to take your excuse. I will not be able to make it to work today. Everything is not fine, ma. My very good friend in school lost her father. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. So I rushed down to their house to commiserate with her. Okay, ma. I will come tomorrow, ma. Yes, ma. Okay, ma. Thank you so much for your understanding. God bless you. Stop, please. Please. You have to be strong for your mother. That's why I have to bring you out here now. You can't be doing this in her presence. She needs you to be strong. You should be happy. At least you have your mother. We can't question God. Yes. Oh? Okay. Sorry. Jido Bigaga. Stop now. Stop now. Your mother is hearing your voice. Oh. I thought you were strong. Stop now. Calm down. Sorry.
I can't bear to lose any of my parents. This is so painful.
My dear, I lost my father 14 years ago. That's the same for me. That's why any little thing like this, ever since my father died, I'm my way walk. This meat that you're seeing in this school is not the real me. I used to. If you see what I did in my village, I'm a back week. If you put body, you collect.
Why now?
I don't know. I'm always angry. Any little thing piss me off.
Wow.
But when
So what's changed?
When I came to the city, environment changed me. I saw how I started seeing people behaving very well, carrying themselves very well. But the most important person that helped in transforming me to this person you're seeing now is my uncle's wife, Auntie Ngozi. That woman is very nice. And she said it's because she was once like me. That's why she understood me, tolerated me, and also gave me time to become a better person. I don't joke with her.
Yeah, I'm glad you realized.
I'm a better person now. If it was before, I don't used to hear word though. I used to do anyhow, beat, and you know I'm physically fit.
I can't see you can bazooka bazu.
Ngoro ina mama ka.
Hey.
Ngoro ina mama ka. Oh, it's painful.
It is well.
My baby. You're so beautiful. I know that death is inevitable. We'll all die. Parents are supposed to die before their children. But my prayer for you this night is that your parents will live long to see your children's children. Your parents will not die young.
If you do well, you go reach you. Life is turn by turn. If you read your book, you go pass turn by turn. If you do well, you go reach you. Turn by turn. If you read your book, you go pass turn by turn. If you do well, you go reach you. All fingers are nothing.
I can't believe you people have not delivered this material by now. What is keeping you? Please, I don't like you. Just come. Come quickly.
Vicky, your food is here.
I will get back to you.
And this is your balance.
How?
The food is 1,800 naira.
Asabe usually buys me food and she never comes back with change. What and what did you buy?
Everything you asked me to buy from the same woman. Rice, beans, plantain, fish.
Okay. Thank you. No, keep the change.
Don't worry, ma.
I insist to keep it.
Thank you. God bless you.
Such a nice girl.
How are you?
Norma, are you okay?
No.
I'm not okay. Rose, that death reminded me of my father. And the thing is hurting me again. I lost my father when I was 14 years. I never experienced father's love. And the thing made me a very bitter person. Every time I am angry.
But you know you have a sister here. I've always told you to confide in me if you have a problem. Come here.
Thank
I'm
you.
sorry. I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
Okay? Stop crying. Stop crying.
Thank you.
Norma, cheer up. Cheer up, Norma. Honey, you know, now I understand this whole thing better. I wonder why people don't focus on a little child who lost a loved one at a very tender age. They rather put all their minds and focus on the older relatives of the dead, forgetting that they will feel the same pain.
It's unfortunate, really.
Yeah, our story just made me
It's so
feel so.
unfortunate.
Mama, thank you. Thank you so much for motivating me. I want to promise you something. Someday, I will come first. Even if I do not, I will not go below second. It's a promise.
Impressive.
I love you.
I love it too, my good friend. I am so happy that you've chosen to be strong. Don't forget, you have to make your father proud wherever he is.
Yes, I will.
Oh, be strong, bro.
Good friend. See you tomorrow in school. Bye.
Uncle.
No, it's like we will not give you the best in everything now. Best in school, best at home, best in everything.
All thanks to you, Auntie. Thank you for tolerating me and teaching me better.
Come on. You know you don't need to mention that.
We are so proud of you.
For you to be impressed, Uncle. You know you're a very hypocritical person. I'm glad you are impressed.
I'm super proud.
Meanwhile, our school resumes tomorrow.
Oh. Okay. Are you prepared?
Yes, very much prepared.
Everything ready? Your school bag, your uniform, everything?
Yes, washed iron, day.
Wow. Wow. You're
my girl, my girl. You're doing so well.
Thank you, Auntie.
We are so proud of you.
Thank you,
Believe
Uncle.
me.
Thank you, Uncle. I'm glad I could impress you.
Hey.
So, what are we eating tonight?
I should be asking you that.
Noodles, stir fries.
So did you hear how she called that? Chef. Noodles, stir fries. And what are you waiting for? Go and start preparing it.
Okay, let me go and prepare for you. I know how you like it, spicy.
Femi, you. You're making me proud, sweetheart. I am so proud. At least I didn't waste my energy to start, teaching her all those things.
Good morning, students.
Good morning,
sir. We are going to announce to you the prefects in SS3. Rose is library prefect. Sandra is health prefect. Vincent is labor prefect. While Tracy is disciplinary prefect. So I have called all the prefects, am I right? Who is SP? And I hope you know who that is.
Hold on. Principal, am I the senior prefect?
Yes.
Wow. Hold on. If I say N, you say no. N.
Life is done so
Let me say
See, you have been called to serve and serve well. I don't like quarrel, bullying, use of curse words. Anyway, congratulations to all the prefects, because I was not a prefect in my school. But that did not make me less of who I am. Congratulations, Norma. You get SP.
Thank you, sir.
You have called to serve, and I want you to serve very well.
Thank you,
in
sir.
order to help to coordinate the students. Once again, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. I will do my best, sir.
Good.
I appreciate the privilege.
Good. You're welcome.
What is going on here? Who asked you guys to kneel down?
Tracy, we came late.
You came late.
Yes.
What is your reason? Listen, today should be the very first and last day you will ever come to school late. If you try it again, I'll personally punish you girls. Now run to your class fast!
Thank you.
Hey, you, what are you doing? Night reading is determination. Do you know sometimes when I want to read at night, sleep will just come like this. Like this. I'll be feeling sleepy, but I don't allow that distract me. I just say, sleep, sleep, sleep. Just be there, distracted.
Hey! SP or whatever you call yourself, I am here to warn you to stay off my way. How dare you release those girls I asked to kneel? How dare you?
How dare you ask them to kneel for over an hour under scorching sun? What happened to humanity? There are so many good ways, better ways to correct a child. Yes, that's so brutal. I wouldn't let you treat them like that.
And I won't let you step on my feet again. I am warning you for the last time. Stay off my path.
Just try and be kind, that's all.
Why is she always like that?
I don't know. She likes speaking at me. And she acts like somebody that lacks conscience and humanity. By the way, let's talk. So as I was telling you, I don't allow anything distract me when I want to do my night reading. I'm always determined to read. Why I'm telling you this is so you can do.
Hey! Come here. Come here! So you two little brats think you can avoid my wrath in this school, right? On your knees. Go on your knees now. In fact, pick pin. Frog jump. I said frog jump. Nonsense. Keep doing that. I'll be right back. Stupid things.
If you do well, you go reach you. Life is turn by turn. If you read your book, you go pass. Turn by turn. If you do well, you go reach you. Turn.
Bella, wake up.
Bella!
Bella!
What's the problem?
Bella, what happened to her?
Bella,
what happened to her?
Bella, okay?
Bella!
Jesus.
Bella!
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 Bella,
What happened to her? Let's take her to school clinic fast.
Okay.
Bring her out.
What happened to her?
What happened to her?
I don't know.
God. School clinic.
I am disappointed at you. Just 1 week you are made a prefect. You decided to burn down the school. Why? I thought you would have led by example. Huh? You choose to disturb everywhere. Everybody because of your position. The students are no more comfortable. The other day, I was told you punish JSS students during the break. Has ever any teacher done that to you?
Yes, sir.
I don't want you to say a word. Anyway, you are not going to continue with that position again.
What?
Yes.
Sir, I am sorry. It is in my place to discipline them when they constitute nuisance. And besides, I never knew that girl was as smart.
See, my word is final. Leave my office.
Sir, please, we can talk about this. I am sorry, sir.
Leave my office. Leave now.
I should.
Leave now.
Sir, please, calm down. I'll be back when you are calm. I am so sorry, please.
Nonsense.
All fingers are not equal. Yeah.
Guys, I have information to relate now. No?
What information?
Don't beat me like that now.
Relate. What information?
I saw principal collecting private tag from Tracy. Yes, now because she almost killed
JS1 student that is asthmatic.
How? What happened? Do you mean that little girl has asthma?
Yes, nah.
And Oga Tracy asked her to do floor job? Well, that sounds alright. Nah, Papa body go calm down.
I swear.
Her pride go mellow.
See that girl have what we call in my place evil.
She's very rude and saucy.
What is Ifala? See, she's evil. Evil?
Come, make we know when you insult us. What is Ifala?
Evil.
Avongo.
Ha!
But that girl is very, very wicked. What the principal did, she deserves it.
That girl is very rude and saucy. God is the one that they talk now. I hope you can say it in front of her.
I will say it. Who is she? I will say it.
Okay, I'm not here.
I will say it.
I didn't hear anything, no.
But you were the one that told us. Yes.
It's a prank.
No hating, no fighting. We are born.
Since the day you came into the school, you've been looking for my trouble. I mean, what do you feel like? What do you think you are? You've been all over the places. Are you okay? Are you mad?
My question is, who gave you that name, Tracy? Because Tracy is a name of dog, animal, place, or things. It can't be a name of a sensible human being.
You're stupid. Eh? You're stupid. You're foolish.
What just happened?
It's okay. It's okay. Are you mad? Is there anything wrong with you? Are you stupid?
I'm asking you. Did you just hit me? No. Come on, try me now. Try me. Look at this. What do you want to do?
Who is now the boss? You should learn how to respect yourself in this school. Else. Release the mad dog. Let's go. Thank your stars. This one is my city character. If I bring out my village character for you, you will go blind in a second. Girls, let's follow. Stupid girl. Because I decided to fight in this school, you think you can toy with me? Imagine the girls. Imagine the air punch you. See, if not that decided to be cool in this school, if I bring out my village part, man like, a man like.
But don't cross the boundaries. Don't cross the boundaries. Don't cross the boundaries.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Tracy, please step out. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
You see, after what happened yesterday, we have carefully thought on who will fit the position. And we have decided to give it to Jumo. Please come out. Jumo is now the disciplinary prefect. Congratulations, Jumo. Congratulations, Jumo. Students, always behave yourself. Am I understood?
Yes, sir.
You can now go back to your classes.
Sir, please. No! This is unfair. It is totally unacceptable. You can't humiliate me like that. You just belittled me. Who is Jumo? Sir, please put me back in my position. Please, I don't deserve all of this. Just put me back in my position. Else I will call my daddy. In fact, I am reporting you to my daddy. Just put me back where I belong. Put me back, sir. It's unfair.
Principal.
Yes.
She has beaten more than she can chew. We have to cut her wings.
Exactly. But I'm going to leave her for you teachers to handle.
No problem. No problem.
She needs to be disciplined.
Yeah.
you stop that?
Auntie, they gave all the SSG students this to fill.
Let me see. Sweetie, wait now. 20K.
Are we not dragging? Okay.
Yeah. First choice university, second choice, even to the fourth. When is JAM coming up?
Next 2 months.
Next 2 months. So fast. Well, I know you will make us proud as always.
I promise.
I trust you.
Trust my girl.
Auntie, let me leave you people. I just want to show you, but later I will bring it back so you will make your suggestions why I feel different.
Okay.
Definitely, you know you have me. I
Thank
got
you,
you
Auntie.
covered. I got you.
I dey read na my books. I dey read let me say I dey now. Na my books. I dey read You're safe. What you think is what you become. Your time is limited. Don't waste it at all. You a product of your decision.
I don't understand. Is he trying to make me fall in love with him? God forbid.
Don't waste it at all. You a product of your decisions. No, no. You a product of your decisions. Yeah.
Go Sandra, go Sandra, go, hey, go Rosie, hey, hey.
What's up now? How you doing? Why are you touching me? Are you mad? Why are you touching me? Oga, come on from here.
Baby, what's up? 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 What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Baby, what's up?
How dare you push me like that? If you try this next time, I will make sure I deal with you. Are you mad?
Touched me.
Yeah.
All fingers are not equal. Yeah. No hating, no fighting. We are born with different destinies. Only work hard, don't waste your time for nothing. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Can't you see the handwriting on the wall?
Is Jacqueline still here? What is he waiting for?
I don't know, but I think he likes me. I don't know if I'm wrong.
Same guy you caught with trees in the toilet.
Seriously, Mama. A teacher? Your teacher?
I think I should just hear him out and know what he has to say. Let's
I know
keep
he
going.
always liked you.
You think there's a need to?
Can you please excuse us?
All right. We'll be waiting for you.
Okay, just give me a minute.
Okay.
Well, my name is Ken.
Ken, you've been stalking me for some days now. What's the problem?
Let's say I want you. Yes, you see, I know you've had the reflection of what happened between I and Tracy in the bathroom, but the truth is, I'm in love with you. I want you.
You want me?
I guess you forgot you're my teacher and you're not supposed to ask me out.
Well, that part of it is actually wrong. I'm 30 and I want you to know that I have lots of prospects. I have good future ahead.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you like me?
10 over 10. So, well, to cut the long story short, now I have your number so we can talk more.
Well, I'll give you my number, but send a text message before calling. Send a text before calling.
Problems, I'll do that, so.
Okay, 00 615.
The mind is everything. What you think is what you become. Your mind is your safe. What you think is what you become. Your time is limited. Don't waste it at all. You a product of your decisions. No, no. You a product of your decisions. Yeah. Life is turn by turn, turn by turn. If you read your life is turn by turn, turn by turn. If you do well, you go reach you. Life is turn by turn. If you read your book, you go pass turn by turn. If you do well, you go reach you. Turn by turn. If you read your book, you go pass turn by turn. If you do well.
Mama, why are you blushing?
Auntie,
you didn't even notice that I was here.
I'm sorry, nothing.
Are you sure? I hope it's not what I'm thinking. If it is, you just have to wait until you get into the university. I know you're an adult. I can tell how all of this is going to end. Trust me. Okay?
Like I said, nothing.
Are you sure? Okay, come help me in the kitchen.
Alright, give me a minute.
Alright.
The mind is everything. What you think is what you become. Your mind is your safe. What you think is what you become. Your time is limited. Don't waste it at all. You a product of your decisions. No, no. You a product of your decisions. Yeah. Life is turn by turn, turn by turn. If you read your life is turn by turn, turn by turn. If you do well, you go reach you. Life is turn by turn. If you read your book, you go pass turn by turn. If you do.
Listen and listen attentively. I am not joking with you. Till next time I see you and my man together, I will pour hot water on you. Stay off him for your own good. Period.
Let me have that my text. Fast. Do you hear? Not my textbook that you borrowed.
Your mind is your safe. What you think is what you become. Your time is limited. Don't waste it at all. You will.
Auntie, I want to go to the market and buy some fabrics that I'll use to make clothes.
Do you have money for the materials?
Yes, I do, but if you give me some money, I will appreciate.
You must be joking.
I better get out.
I'll use your money and buy it.
Yes, I will.
Alright.
Okay, I'll see you later.
Alright, baby.
Alright.
All fingers are not equal, yeah. No hating, no fighting. We are born with different destinies. Only work hard, don't waste your time for nothing. Can't you see the handwriting?
Baby. My dog.
Please take it easy with all these sweet names. I've not accepted yet.
Okay, so can I have a seat?
Yes, sit.
So, be careful.
Maybe no. I'm pepper soup, fish pepper soup. I like the head shower.
Okay. Waiter.
Good afternoon, sir.
She wants
If you have the head, I like it. I'll bring it to you.
okay. She didn't even ask me what I was. Let her come in. You look beautiful.
Thank you for the compliment.
See?
So what do you want? Because you are neither there or here. What do you want?
I want so date you. Yes, date you a couple or something. Let's say we're dating.
You want to date?
Sure.
How about Tracy?
Listen, Tracy's out of the picture, okay? Tracy has never been there. You see, that day at the toilet was the lowest day in my life. And she has capitalized on that. So, Tracy's totally out of it.
Yes. She's out of it. So you're not doing anything with her?
I'm not doing nothing with her. As a matter of fact, that day was the worst day of my life.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. So, can you get me a bottle of beer? So, so when do you want me to come see your parents? Sorry for the call. So when will I come see your auntie?
You want to see my auntie? You want to see my auntie for what? I don't understand. So this is how you do. About those students, you go and see their family, go and to confuse them. I don't get. Why do you want to see my auntie?
Stop saying that. That's not true.
Okay, no problem. What exactly do you want from me? Tell me. What do you want?
What I want from you. How do I make you understand this? Okay, see, this is how it works, right? I like you a lot.
You like me for what? Bokwafa.
And I want us to be into this relationship, and when it works, I'll get married to you. I am serious about this.
How about Tracy?
I have told you, Tracy has never been in the picture. Actually, what happened to us that day at the bathroom was the lowest day of my life, and I regretted every bit of it. I want you to believe me.
Like I said, I've heard you, but I've not accepted because you are neither here or there. So I'll be watching you.
Well,
But
thank
wait
you.
first. Is it proper for a teacher to ask students out? Oshina one student or my one at the other student?
When it comes to the matter of the heart, it is proper.
Okay.
Does that answer your question?
We're not drinking anything.
I asked her to get me a bottle of beer. Waiter! Where's the drink?
took the word from my mouth.
Same here. I'm glad we are all reading together again. Meanwhile, which university are you girls planning to go to?
My mom said she would love me to study abroad. In fact, she's already making the plans. But I don't know how I feel about that. Like having mixed feelings.
Mixed feelings. Nee, please go and study abroad. And you?
Well, my mom said if she's unable to secure an admission for me in UK, I would have to study in OAU University.
My auntie graduated from OAU. She suggested OAU. My brother suggested University of Nigeria, Nsukka, UNN. But I'm a bit indifferent. I'm here to really decide. So, what course are you planning to read?
I would like to study law, business administration, or maybe I might put anyone that comes to my mind. But for now, these two are my choices.
My first choice is English language and literature.
Nice course.
My second choice, public administration. My third choice could be anything.
Well, I'm just going for theatre arts. No second choice.
You want to be an actress?
Yes. Theatre arts.
Why?
Serious? No, but it's a
art
good
or nothing.
No, it's a good cause. Follow your heart.
So, when are you planning to tell us about him?
When I'm sure about him. But wait, how did you know?
We are not babies. Anytime he calls, your eyes lit up. Yes, there's this tenderness, this smile on your face each time you see his call, and you don't always take that call in our presence. You always run out to go and answer.
So tell us about him.
Yes, what kind of person is he? What does he look like?
Yes, I will tell you. He's tall, very cute, and in 100 level in the university.
All my food is ready.
I need to go and eat. I'll leave you now.
Oh, tell them you're not hungry.
I can't. Eating together is a big deal in my family. They can't eat without me.
Really?
Yes, it's a big deal here. All of us must eat together. Except I'm not home.
Cool. I like that. Blow me a kiss.
Why?
Why?
Please go, Joy. It's too early. Bye. Take care of yourself.
Okay.
Bye. Ah.
We are born with different destinies. Only work hard, don't waste your time for nothing.
Honey, so this is love? Oh my.
When is she bringing him home?
Sweetheart, I think they are taking it slow and steady. Just slowly.
But there is a he.
Well, yes.
Finally, there is a he.
Sweetheart, come on. It's not like I'm encouraging her to do that. No. That's the truth. But, you know, she's an adult. And after all, I started even before 18. So please stop. I'm actually guiding her through so she doesn't make mistakes, okay?
And what does he do for a living? I'm sorry.
Teacher.
What?
Water.
Water. Water. Okay. Sorry. Let me get you water. Call me.
All fingers are not equal, yeah. No hating, no fighting. We are born with different destinies. Only work hard, don't waste your time for nothing. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Life is turn by turn, turn by turn. If you read your life,
Hey, both of you go back to your classes right now. I said go back!
life is turn by turn. If you read your book, you go pass. Turn by turn. If you do well, you go reach you. Turn by turn. If you read your book, you go pass. Turn by turn. If you do well, you go reach you.
Whoever that did this was very deliberate. And I'm suspecting someone.
Who is that?
Tracy.
Tracy.
I'm sorry. No problem. Thank you. Let's go back to class. I hate.
All fingers are not equal, yeah. No hating, no fighting. We are born with different destinies.
What is the meaning of this nonsense?
What is the meaning of this nonsense? Who is doing nonsense with you here?
Ask her. Eh?
See, see, I want to ask you something. Why did you lock Norma up in the restroom?
What nonsense? Oh, I can see. You both are her soldiers. She has sent you to after me. Tell her to not work. I don't have time for your nonsense.
Wait, let's beat this girl.
All fingers are not equal, yeah. No hating, no fighting.
Once I get home now, it's just to take cold bath.
Me too. It was hectic.
Thank God.
So you are just senseless. Of all the people to date in this world is Ken. Ken that I used and dumped. Ken that jumps from one woman to another claiming he was seduced. Are you this stupid?
I should be the one asking you if you're mad. Is there something wrong with you? What nerves? You have the temerity to block my way. If you don't leave my way this minute, I'll treat you like a criminal you are. Now get out.
I'll let this slide, but not for so long. Stupid.
Hey, you don't you dare lay your filthy hands on her again. If you try it, if you dare try it again, I will show you that I've been calm enough. Touch her again.
Don't worry. I'll become your karma.
Now let's go.
Toothless dog. You keep barking.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay? Don't worry.
Not at all. That was the last time you saw us inside the toilet. See, everyone knows she sleeps around with anything inside the trouser. Okay? And I wanted better for myself. That was why I ended it. I know she's going to say a whole lot of things to you, to get to your head. But I trust you're smart and intelligent. Please do not give any listening ears to whatever she's going to say to you. She is manipulative. Right? Well, I'm attracted to you, you know. Alright, I'm sorry about it. So tell me, when are you coming to know where I stay? No. Listen, I'm not saying you should come into my house. I just want you to just come around to see the environment where I stay. That's just it. That's all. Alright. Thank you so very much. Have a nice day then.
Your mind is your safe. What you think is what you become. Your time is limited. Don't waste it at all. You are product of your decisions now.
I like him. Yes. But it is not enough to cry for him. He's not worth it. I need to speak to my girls. Not connecting. Let me call Rose. Their numbers are not going through. Oh. Hello, Rose. I'm not fine. I should have believed you people. He's not a good guy. We went out. We were inside Kiki when Tracy called. Tracy is pregnant for him. She said it. I don't understand. He was even asking me to kiss him on the phone, to come to his house and all that. No, God forbid Barton give him what? I refused. I wonder what I would have done without all of you. Thank you so much for being my good friend. I think we should all go to the same university because I cannot afford not to have you girls by my side in the university. Thank you girls for always coming through. Alright, bye.
Don't waste your time for nothing. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Can't you see the handwriting on the wall?
Everybody come on!
Tracy!
Hey!
Oh God! Oh God!
Hey!
Why?
Hey!
What?
Hey! Hey!
Hey! Tracy!
Go and get me my phone. From the office. Go and make arrangement for ambulance now. So that we'll take her out.
Hey! 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 Shut up! Why not like her? No, I can't believe this. Is this true?
Tracy, why?
Tracy,
Oh God!
our friend.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you all doing? And I hope you all are ready for my class.
Yes, sir.
Good. Wait a minute. The class is empty. Who and who is not in the class? I said who and who is not in the class? Norma is not in the class.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, let me go and get her.
Make that snappy. Who else? Who else? Okay. I'll continue while we wait for Norma.
Principal, I know who got Tracy pregnant.
What?
Yes.
Now tell me, who is the person?
Teacher Ken.
Ken?
Yes.
Do you have evidence?
Yes. I saw them inside the school toilet having a conversation about it. Let me show you, I recorded them.
What?
What are you doing here? No, tell me, what are you doing here?
When you noticed that.
What are you also doing here?
I'm looking for broom to sweep. You deleted it?
Don't you know with this video, our school is seriously a mess and can be closed?
So you want Teacher Ken to go free with this?
Not at all, he wouldn't. But he will go in immediately. But this video can cost a lot. Yes. Hey. Okay.
All fingers are not equal. Yeah. No hating, no fighting. We are born with different destinies. Only work hard, don't waste your time for nothing. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Life is tough. My turn by turn. If you read your life is turn by turn. If you do well, you go reach your life is turn by turn. If you read your
I'm good. It's been a minute. I missed you. Hi. You missed me. I missed you too. Hi. Thank you, eh? God bless you. God bless you. Look at my daughter. She's now a changed person. If not for the fact that I know that you people are coming and I saw her in your car, I would not have recognized her.
Of course, you wouldn't have been able to recognize me because I'm now a changed person and a better woman. I'm not the girl you used to know. I am no more the girl you used to know. Norma is totally different now. All thanks to Uncle.
A little touch of military. It has worked.
Mama, we bought lots of goodies for you. Let's get it from the tree.
Don't worry, don't stress yourself. I will carry it by myself. Inside, because I prepared something special for
the mind is everything. What you think is what you become. Your mind is your safe. What you think is what you become. Your time is limited. Don't waste it at all. You a product of your decisions. No. You a product of your decisions. Yeah. Life is turn by turn by turn. is turn by turn, turn by turn. If you do well, you go reach you. Life is turn by turn. If you read your book, you go pass. Turn by turn. If you do well, you go reach you. Turn by turn. If you read your book, you go pass. Turn by turn. If you do well, you go reach you. All fingers are not equal, yeah. No hating, no fighting. We are born with different destinies. Only work hard, don't waste your time for nothing. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Life is turn by turn, turn by turn. If you read your life is turn